Hi, this is Chad Nelson. I thought I'd explain to you the free lifetime offer that GrooveFunnels is giving out right now for GroovePages and GrooveSell. Explain exactly what that is. I originally had purchased actually a whole suite of services from these guys for about $1,000. Mike Filsame is one of the founders. He's created some awesome products like EverWebinar and Webinar Jam. And they are truly giving away due to the COVID-19 virus, GroovePages and GrooveSell for life. There's no credit card required. You can build unlimited website pages, you can build unlimited funnels, and you can take money and sell products and services and informational products online. For just a few weeks ago, this is actually, they're signing up about 1,000 a day right now, so this is probably up over 50,000 people have taken advantage of this free offer. It is not going to last that much longer. It doesn't cost anything. There's no credit card. It doesn't make sense not to at least go get it. And let me show you exactly what you get. Now, there's a whole suite of services. You do not have to get any of these services. What you get for free for life right now is GroovePages and GrooveSell. So if you come over to GroovePages, I'll just let my account load. I've got some websites I'm working on, but just click New Site. And then you come over here and you can start from scratch. They have a lot of templates, and there's going to be a ton of templates coming, a lot more than what they have now. And you select your website, and then you just go ahead and start designing it. And this one, this is a video landing page, so I would, just edit this. Let's just edit a couple things real quick. We'll just put title on this. Just call this my test site. You can see how it looks and make the edits on phone, tablet, larger tablet, desktop, larger desktop, so you know how it looks and all of these. Then you hit save. And if you want to publish this, you can actually have, it comes with unlimited hostings. They will host all these websites for you. We'll call this test 1. And then you hit publish. And that's it. And the web page will go live. We'll give that a second here to get uploaded. And then we'll take a look at that here in a second. The other thing that you get is GrooveSell. So if we click on GrooveSell, here, you can build unlimited sales funnels or products. So I've got a few test ones here, but let's just say you had a new product. You know what? Let's edit one here so I don't have to go through all that. We'll come here to Manage Products. And then we want to hit Edit. It basically just walks you through what you would ever need to do. So this could be your front-end product. It could be your course. Whatever you have that you want to sell, you can have, this could be a secondary thing where you're actually giving them an upsell or a downsell. Just walk through, you can add a price, you can make it a one-time payment, you can have recurring payments where it's a monthly, you can have installments where it's $1,000 up to buy it, or it's 3 payments of $400. You can have multiple price points. As far as gateways, you can bring in a free PayPal or Stripe account so you can actually collect money for free. You go through the content, the checkout, the funnel. There's several things. I'm not going to get into all of them here until you finish, and then you basically can build as many of these for free. So what you would then go do is, let's go back to our pages here, is once we have our page live, let's go to the site here that we were just working on. And we will go ahead and come over here to the Publish tab. And let's click on it. So that's live. So if you had this live right now, you could go in and create that GrooveSell for you're selling it, and then when they clicked on this button here, it would take them right in, and they would be able to buy whatever product or service or course that you had. So it's truly a great offer. There's a link down in the video, below the video, to go ahead and get it. I will also put a link in. They do have a lifetime offer for all of their services if you're interested in that, but again, that is strictly optional. If you want the free lifetime offer, go ahead and get on board, because it's not going to last that much longer. They're talking about in the next few weeks or days that it's going to be pulled off. So take advantage of it now. Get GroovePages and GrooveSell for life for free.